Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today, we will be looking at the Mishiki portable washing machine and the Nixod portable washing machine. Both machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for small spaces like apartments, hotels, and even while traveling. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and help you determine which one might be the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's start by comparing the capacity of these two machines. The Mihiki portable washing machine has a capacity of 13 liters, making it suitable for small loads of delicate items. On the other hand, the Nixod portable washing machine offers a larger capacity of 15 liters, allowing you to wash slightly bigger loads. This difference in capacity can be significant if you frequently wash multiple items at once. Next, let's discuss the price. The Mihiki is priced at $59, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a portable washing solution. In contrast, the Nixod is priced at $79, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features such as a separate spin basket. Depending on your budget, this could influence your decision on which machine to purchase. Finally, let's compare the drying functions of both machines. The Miheki features an integrated spin function, which is convenient but may not remove all the water from your clothes. In contrast, the Nixod includes a separate spin basket, which enhances the drying process and helps to remove more water, potentially reducing drying time. This could be an important factor if you often wash delicate items that require careful drying. In conclusion, both the Miheki and Nixod portable washing machines have their unique advantages. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option and primarily wash small, delicate loads, the Miheki may be the right choice for you. However, if you need a larger capacity and better drying capabilities, the Nixod could be worth the extra investment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like